Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In the last video, I have discussed basics of files such as what is the need for a file, how many types of files are there such as text files and binary files, what are the basic operations we can perform on the file such as reading the information from the file, creating a file, open the file, write the information into the file, closing a file. All these things I have discussed in detail. I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video, I request you to go back and watch that video and come back to this video. In this video, I want to discuss various modes of files such as we have totally 6 types of modes are there for text files and also for the binary files. Basically, we have 3 types. One is the read mode, write mode and append mode. All these things I will discuss in detail. So, first let me discuss about the text files, then I will discuss about the binary files. In the text files, if you want to open the file in the read mode, you have to specify it as R. If you want to open it in the write mode, you have to specify it as W. If you want to open it in the append mode, you have to specify it as A. For better understanding, let me declare a file pointer called P and I want to open the file. Now, fopen function is useful for you to open the file. This fopen function will take 2 parameters. One is the name of the file with an extension and also the mode. Let's take that I want to open a file called A with an extension as .txt. This is a text file and I have specified it as read mode as R. Now what will happen is that if the file is there, then it will open the file and read the information. If you open the file in the read mode, only you can read the information from the file. Now let's take the picture. Whatever the file is not there, if it is not there, what will happen? Whatever the name of the file you have specified here, if it is not there and you are trying to open the file in the read mode, then it will return a null value. Are you able to understand? Meaning is that this file is not there. So if this file is not there, how I can read the information to the file? So it will return a null value to the pointer P. If it is there, then file will be opened and base address or the starting address of the file will be given to the pointer called P, or I can say that the first character address will be given to the pointer P. I hope you have understood about the read mode. If the file is not there, it will return the null value. If the file is there, it will open the file and you can read the information from the file. Now let me talk about the write mode. So if you want to open a file in the write mode, you have to specify here as W. Now look at here, whatever the file you have to write here a.txt. Okay, you want to write the information into the file. If the file is not there, then what will happen is that it will create a new file called a.txt and open it and the write mode. Are you able to understand? Whatever the file you want to open in the write mode, if the file is not there, then it will create a new file with the name called a.txt and open the file, and after that whatever the information you want to write, you can write it. Let's take that the file is there with a.txt. Okay, a file is there as a.txt and some information is there. Let's take that Parnika tutorials is the best YouTube channel. Okay, this information is there. I'm doing the self propaganda about my channel. Whether it is right or wrong, you have to give it in the comment section. Now let's take that a file with a.txt is there with information as Parnika tutorials is the best YouTube channel, and you are opening the file in the write mode. Then what will happen is that it will open the file a.txt with an empty file, meaning is that all the existing information will be lost and whatever the new information you will write, suppose if you want to write it as S, then if you are writing, it will be added here, meaning is that old information will be lost, whatever the information you are writing will be come into the file. So if the file is not there, it will be created and opened. If the file is there with some information, that existing information will be lost, and whatever the new information you are writing will be saved into the file. Now append mode, meaning is that whatever the existing information in the file you don't want to lose, whatever the new information you are writing should be added here. Okay, then you can specify it as A, which is append mode. Now if the file is not there as a.txt in the append mode, then it will create and open the file, same as in the write mode. But whereas in the read mode, it will return the value null. If the file is there with some information, as Parnika tutorials is the best YouTube channel, then it will open the file with the same information, as Parnika tutorials is the best YouTube channel. Now I want to write some more information, such as Parnika tutorials is the best YouTube channel for CSC students. Okay, then whatever the information I am writing, it will be added. I hope you have understood about these three basic modes, such as read mode, write mode and append mode. Now I will discuss few more modes, such as R plus, W plus, A plus. What is the purpose of this each mode? Let me read it. Then I will discuss each one in detail. R plus is for read and write. W plus is for write and read. And A plus is for append and read. So if it is R plus, you can open the file for reading and also for writing the information. W plus is you can open the file to perform the write and also read. If it is A plus, append and also read. Now let me talk about the R plus mode, which is read and write. Now you have specified the name as the file as a.txt and the mode you have specified is R plus. If the file is not there, then it will return a null value. Are you able to understand? Same as in the read mode. In the read mode also, if the file is not there, then it will return a null value to the pointer p. Similarly, R plus also, if the file is not there, then it will return a null value to the pointer p. Now let me talk about the W plus mode, which is write and read. Now let's take that you have specified the a.txt with the W plus, meaning is that write and read. If the file is not there, then it will create a new file with the name as a.txt and will be opened. Okay, if the file is there, okay, then all the existing information from the file will be lost and the file will be opened as an empty file. Okay, whatever the information you are writing, that information will be added here. Existing information you will lost. Whereas in the append and read mode, okay, you can perform the append and also read operations. Both operations you can perform. If it is only A, only you can append the information. If you want to open the file in the append and also read the information, then you can do it. If the file is not there, then it will create a file with the name and it will open the file. If the file is there, it will open the file with the existing information. Whatever the information you are writing will be added into the file. I hope you have understood all the 6 modes for the text files. Now let me discuss about the binary files. Let me erase this one to specify these modes for the binary files. Okay, for the binary files, if you want to open a file in the read mode, then you have to specify the mode as RB. This RB specifies that read a binary file. If it is write mode, you have to specify WB. If it is append mode, you have to specify AB. If it is read and write mode, you have to specify RB plus WB plus AB plus. The working process is same. This is only for the text files. This is for the binary files. I hope you have understood the various modes for the text files and the binary files. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, Feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.